Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I will guide you how to deploy Angular application into AWS S3. Open Visual Studio Code. I already created one basic Angular demo project. Now I will run that application. Type ng serve, click on enter. It will take some time to run the application. Application runs successfully. Copy this URL. Go to Chrome browser. Open new tab. Paste the URL. Created this basic Angular demo application. For deploying this Angular application into AWS, for that we need to build the Angular application. Click Ctrl C, clear the screen. Now enter ng build. Click on enter. This command is used to build the application. It will generate a dist file, dist file. In that file only we need to deploy AWS S3 bucket. It will take some time to build the application. Yeah, application built successfully. You can see here the dist file is generated. Go to folder, I will show you. This is the dist folder. We need to deploy this dist folder into AWS S3. Go to Chrome browser, go to AWS console. In search bar, type S3, select S3 service. Click on create bucket. Here I create a bucket name with Chenna tech point. Scroll down. You can uncheck public access here. Click on I acknowledge. Scroll down. No need to change any options. Leave it default. Scroll down. Click on create bucket. You can see bucket is created with the name Chenna tech point. Click on that bucket. Click on upload. Click on add files. Go to the project folder. Go to dist folder. Go to Angular demo. Select all files. Open. Scroll down. Click on upload button. We need to upload all the files uploaded successfully. Click on close. Go to properties. Scroll down. Click on static website hosting. Edit. Enable the static website hosting. Enable it. Scroll down. Here we need to give starting base index.html. Suppose in that application having the error.html, mention error.html, otherwise leave it. Scroll down, save the changes, go to permissions, scroll down. Here we need to apply the bucket policy. Then only the bucket can access public. Click on edit. Click on policy generator option. Here select the type of policy is S3 bucket policy. In principle mention star. In action select get object. Click on get object. Go to previous slide. Copy the bucket ARN name. This is the bucket ARN name. Paste it in resource name and add /star. Click on add statement. Click on generate policy. Policy is generated. Copy the entire policy here. Go to previous slide. Paste it in AWS bucket policy. Scroll down. Click on save changes. Now bucket policy is added successfully. Go to properties again. Scroll down. Here one URL is generated in static website hosting. Click on that URL. Here you can see Angular application deployed in AWS S3 successfully. You can see the name. We are creating the bucket name with Chenna TechPoint. Yeah, in this way we can deploy the any Angular application